Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you hear and why it matters. Hiss, ground, hum, or clicks need different fixes. First, capture a short reference clip at the project sample rate. Once done, test with and without phantom power or USB hubs to isolate hardware. Make sure to mute unused channels and disable OS noise suppression so you can hear raw signal. These initial steps give you a baseline. They also prevent chasing settings when the real problem is a cable, grounding, or sample rate mismatch. Now you move into software. Capture a noise print from a silent section and apply spectral reduction. Reduce by 612 dB to avoid artifacts, then increase smoothing to preserve tone. Next, add narrow notch filters to remove consistent hum at 50 or 60 Hz using a high Q. Cascade 1 or 2 harmonics if needed. Once the broadband and tonal noise are under control, use multiband gating or gentle transient preserving compression to tighten dynamics without introducing pumping. Make sure to bypass finish by listening at real levels and in context. A slash be the clean track against the original to ensure clarity without metallic or underwater artifacts. If you hear musical ringing or warbling, back off reduction by about 20 to 40% and address remaining spots with manual spectral repair brushes. Make sure phase and stereo placement stay intact. If issues persist, go back to hardware, swap cables, test another preamp, and check grounding. This last hardware check often solves recurring noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.